Hello, everybody. So we will start with what is quantum. Uh, you take a photon, a single photon, and it is moving. Imagine it is moving and it is behaving like a wave. Okay, and when somebody observes it, like if I am here and I'm observing it, it suddenly behaves as a particle. So this is the most unexplainable thing by the scientists and etc., that why the photon behaves like this. It behaves as a vibration meaning it's like a ripple effect. If a vibration is not just at one point, it is like, ripples of water. So it's everywhere, it's present everywhere in all the directions. And somehow when there's an observer, if somebody is there to see it, or I would call it that there is a presence of human consciousness or some consciousness, it suddenly starts behaving as a particle. And if you are watching this video, I'm sure you must have seen everything available on quantum on YouTube, and you must have seen the Einstein's, the multiple door experiment, which is there all over. And with the base of this, I want to touch upon quantum healing and why it is so exciting. Because what it means is that any energy or any vibration or any molecule, when you observe it, it can change. And that is the most exciting thing. That is quantum healing. Just by observing it, by looking at it, by giving your consciousness to it, you can change something. You can change something in your body. You can change something in your business. You can change anything just by observing. And multiple healing practices use this. They may or may not be using this word or may not be calling it quantum, but there are so many different practices which in some way touch upon this. So even when you talk about, a simple thing like affirmations, or you focus on something and that shows up, visualization, all of it is basically you're giving your attention or you're giving your consciousness to that particular thing, and that consciousness or attention is mixed with your intention. You are intending something, you are intending it to change, and those both together are helping you manifest it. In another words, like if you want to talk about body now, if you say practices like vipassana, it's take it or leave it. Vipassana doesn't talk about it this way, but in vipassana what happens is that you observe some pain in your body, you observe something going on in your body, and you keep observing it without judgment, and then it just goes away. Now how does it go away? We don't know, but something changes, and that is what is thing we are working with. It doesn't matter how it really happens, but it happens. And just by giving your, you have a desire to change, right? You have a desire to change, and you're putting in your awareness into that particular thing, and that is creating change. And how fantastic is that? How easy is that? So I really hope this was helpful for you. I have gone through everything on YouTube about quantum entanglements, quantum jumps, and everything else possible. And I will be making more videos on those and how I personally use all of these in my practice. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.